Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. In the greenhouse, I think it's about 3 o'clock, so it's just about getting dark. I've got my 150 watt CFL light up. Normally use this for opening cuttings, but it produces some really good light, so I can work with it. Keep banging my head on this. This is an old tray for draining your pots and pans when you've been washing them on your sink. That's it. But what I'm here today is a little experiment. I'm going to try and take some cuttings off this fuschia. I've just fetched it inside. This is a trailing fuschia that I bought a couple of years ago from Thompson & Morgan. I think it's the second year I've had it. It's not been looked after, as you can see. It was out all last winter, but it survived, and I fetched it in this winter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of these just below some leaf nodes. It needs pruning anyway to fill it back out, but I'm going to hopefully get some cuttings off this. It says take them in the spring, but I'm going to try them now, and let's see how we get on, shall we? First of all, I'm going to be using this perlite. I always use this for cuttings, probably 50% of that, 50% peat-free compost, as you can see there. See the camera set up, folks. Right, hopefully you can see that okay. Yeah, as you can see there, I'm using these two 9cm pots and these beautiful pair of secateurs, stainless steel. These have been the best pair of secateurs I have ever had. They sharpen really well, and they keep sharp as well. I've got a little sharpening stone, and with the spring loaded, really help. So yeah, you can use knives for taking these, but first of all, let's mix some of this up, shall we? Not just the size, 50-50, that'll be enough. Perlite, by the way, folks. Out of the way. And then all you need to do then, just simply mix it up. And it's simple as that. As it's mixed. This helps get loads of air, and it means it's not going to get too waterlogged either. If you're worried about the dust off perlite, just damp it down with a mister before you start working with it. So yeah. So let's have a look at these, shall we? So I'm going to take some off. I'll cut that just there for that one. I'm taking them down to just above a leaf node. So then this fuschia will send out some nice new shoots from there. Further down for that one. This one. Right down to there. And this one down to there. So I'll just spin it round. I know it looks like a massacre in this, but take my word for it, this will grow back, but you get them better and stronger. See it there? As you can see, it will send out loads of new shoots all the way down here, like it is doing from there. This will go under my LED T8 grow lights, and that will really start filling out nice and thick there. And what I'll do then, when it's been in the grow lights for a few weeks, I'll take some more cuttings off. Because these like hardwood cuttings now, all you do then is just peel the leaves back, like so. You only want to leave a couple because of evaporation. It will evaporate from the leaves. These might not take, but all you want to do is then just nip it underneath a leaf node, because that's where you get all the growth hormones. And these leaves, just nip them off. Once that's done like that, all you do then is in the corner I like to put them, like so. Get the other ones done. Like I said, these might not take. This is just a little experiment. I'm hoping they're going to take. All the way to the top. Just leave a couple of leaves on. Nip it off. Like I said, these are really thin and straggly, so they might not take at all. This one's a little bit better, a little bit thicker, this one. So I'll nip this off just probably there. Just put on a leaf now. Peel back the leaves. 2 or 3 leaves, that's all you need. Some people say if you haven't got a propagator, leave them, put them in a polythene bag out of direct sunlight. That's the third one. I'll run this corner. Once that's done, I shall give them a good water, in the tray around here. As you can see, give them a real good water in there. I've actually spilled some out of there, so I shall top that back up. Get this. Like I said, this is just a little experiment. Hopefully they'll root these. These will go back underneath my lights. Good thing about this is it absorbs water really quickly. Basically that's it now. I shall put those, just have a spin round, under here. And because it's all plastic round, it's basically like a big polythene bag it's in. So yeah, I shall give you a catch up on those in a few weeks. And that's how to take fuchsia cuttings. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask, folks. If you like my videos, please subscribe. And remember, happy sowing, happy growing. Thank you for watching, everybody, and please keep safe. Thank you. Bye.